Very good afternoon, students. Our today's topic is revisiting rational numbers and their decimal expansion. So first you should know about what are the rational number. Rational number which can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, means denominator should not equal to 0. For example, 1 by 3 where q is equal to 3, 5 by 2 where q is equal to 2. 0. What about 0? 0 is also a rational number because it can be write in the form of 0 by 1. 2 is also a rational number because it can be written in the form of 2 by 1. 0.375. It is also a rational number. 0.375. How? Because on removing the decimals, we can write it as 375. 375 upon 0, 0, 0, 3 zeros. Therefore, q is equal to 1000. Now, decimal expansion of rational number. It is of two types, terminating and second is non-terminating recurring. So, what are the terminating expansion? If a rational number p by q, where q is not equal to 0, then the prime factorization of q is of the form 2 to the power n 5 to the power m, means the value of q can be of the form 2 to the power n 5 to the power m, where n and m are non-negative numbers. Non-negative numbers means whole number. For example, you can see here 7 by 20. 7 by 20 has no any common factor. Therefore, these are the co-prime numbers. Now see, for 7 we can write as 7 to the power 1. And for 20, what are the prime factorization of 20? 20 can be written as 2 to the power 2. 20 can be written as 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 1. Therefore, 2 to the power 2 means 2 to the power n and 5 to the power 1 means 5 to the power m. If the value of q can be written in the form of 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m, then this type of expansion is known as terminating. And if the value of q cannot be written in the form of 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m, then this type of expansion is non-terminating recurring. Then this type of expansion is non-terminating recurring. Let us see an example for this. 17 by 15. 17 can be written as 17 to the power 1 and 15. What are the prime factorization of 15? 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1. So here comes extra is 3 and what is missing? 2. So if it cannot be written as 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m. Therefore, this type of expansion is non-terminating recurring. Now see what is the meaning of terminating and non-terminating and also recurring. So what are the terminating? Terminating means the value which can be stopped is known as terminating. Non-terminating, the value which cannot be stopped is called non-terminating. And what is recurring? Recurring means repeating. The numbers can be repeating. You can see here in this example 2 by 45, 4444 is repeating. Therefore, it is recurring. For non-terminating, you can see here the value of 2 by 45 is 0.0444 and so on. Therefore, it is non-terminating. And for terminating, you can see terminating means the value which can be stopped. So the expansion of 3 by 20 is 0.15 and after 5 it is stopped. Therefore, it is a terminating expansion. So let us see the example of terminating 3 by 20. 3 by 20 is terminating. Why it is terminating? Because you know For terminating, you can write it as 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. Therefore, 3 by 20, you can see here 2 to the power 2 and 5 to the power 1 can be written in the form of 2 to the power n into 5 to the power m. Therefore, it is terminating. Now, see for non-terminating. For non-terminating, the expansion of 2 by 45 is 3 into 5 to the power 2. So, here what is missing? 2. 2 to the power n is missing. Therefore, it is not the terminating, and this expansion is non-terminating recurring expansion.